Hello everyone! Today we're making layered cropped shirts out of leggings, so grab your scissors. We will start off with the black base layer. So turn your leggings inside out and lay them down flat. Now measure and mark 3 inches down the leg from the crotch seam. Then mark ½ inch down the seam itself. Connect these 3 marks, then cut along the lines. Trim the edges to make sure everything is straight. Then you just put it on by putting your head through the hole and arms through the legs. I thought this was a little boring, so I decided to do some t-shirt cutting and weaving. So lay your new shirt down flat, inside out, and put something like a piece of cardboard inside to make cutting easier. First, draw out the section you want to cut. I just did a little bit around the neck hole. Then draw lines very close to the edge and seams to prevent you from cutting through them. Now we're going to cut horizontal lines across the section we just drafted out. I drew out a few of them for reference. Be careful not to cut through the collar or seams. Now carefully stretch the fabric and turn your shirt back inside in, then put the cardboard back inside. We're going to do a ladder weave down both sides of the collar. So start on one side and grab the top strip of fabric. Now pull it down so you can grab the second strip of fabric and pull it up and over the first. Then grab the third strip and pull it up over the second. Continue this down to the bottom, then cut the bottom strip in half and tie it back together through the bottom hole. Then repeat on the other side. If you'd like more in-depth instructions on t-shirt weaving, I will link a guide in the description. And that's the base layer. Now the top layer is very similar to the first. I started the exact same way by cutting the head hole, but then I put the shirt on inside out so I could draft out the weaving section while it was on. After drafting out the weaving section, lay the shirt down flat, still inside out. Put some cardboard inside and make the sections even on both sides. Then draw lines very close to the edge and the seams to prevent you from cutting through them. Now grab your scissors and start cutting horizontal lines across the marked out sections on both sides. Be careful not to cut through the collar or seams. Now carefully stretch the fabric and turn your shirt back inside in, then put the cardboard back inside. Now it's time to weave. I did a ladder weave exactly the same way as the first shirt, all the way down to the bottom. Then I did a twisted weave, but later changed my mind and undid it, so we're just gonna ignore that. Do the ladder weave on the other side, tie it off at the bottom, and then adjust the weave with your fingers. And that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.